The video we've been waiting for. 6 to 8 months later. My catch can came in about 3 weeks ago, but it's been really, really ugly in the Bay Area. Finally got one sunny day. But my cousin got to 17. My cousin Tito right here. 2017 Dodge Ram Sport Midnight Edition with the Hemi in it. And he went with the whole Billet Tech engine bling. And he said he only has, hey wait, hold the camera. He said he only has, how many miles since you put your catch can on?
Like 200 miles ago?
200 miles ago. He hasn't opened it. So 200, you see on there? 200 miles right there. You want to dump it out or leave it? You want to dump it? Alright. Alright guys, so in this video right now, I'm going to show you guys how to install the catch can on the 2017 Dodge Charger. Future review on this right here. He got the command pedal on it, so we're gonna see what the truck sport got. That way. Alright guys, make sure you don't have your needle hoses right here, because this shit just fell through here and we spent the last 15 minutes trying to get that shit. But I was gonna show you, you pull this harness off right here out of there with a flathead. Alright guys, so there it is. Nice little 10-minute install. There's the final. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it's useful. That billet tech's fitting nice. If I could do it, anybody could do it, because I ain't that smart with this shit. Yeah guys, that's been the video. I hope this helps you out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming content. Thanks, peace.